Yo, what's up guys? Thanks once again for tuning into the channel. And as you guys probably know from the actual thumbnail, I'll be reviewing these. And if you guys don't know what these are the Nike Air Presto Off-White collaboration in the white colorway. But this isn't the first time Nike and Virgil Abloh from Off-White actually collaborated on this shoe. As you can see here, they have done it before. And I must say, in hand, these are a beautiful shoe. I don't know which one I like more, this one or the previous version, the black and kind of yellowish version, just the original version. For some reason, I think I like that one better, but these are clean. These go hard. These can match almost any outfit, and this is just fire on your feet. You can wear this, you know, during the summer, most importantly. You can also rock this in the winter, you know, just with a black outfit, and these stand out like crazy, man. So a little bit of small talk. I just wanted to say that these actually do not belong to me. These belong to a friend of mine. He goes by the name of Wesley Andalo. Check him out here. So he has got to be one of the most fortunate guys when it comes to raffles, man. Seriously, this guy has won 2 Off-White raffles. I mean, winning one is probably a miracle. This guy's won 2, and I think the first one he won was for the Off-White Hyperdunks, sorry, the Hyperdunks. And yeah, he won that when Melbourne opened its first Off-White store. And the dude, I never knew anyone that actually won a raffle from, you know, those Instagram kind of raffles where you tag a person and then, you know, state what your size is. I never knew that actual people actually win that, and he actually won that. So I was just like, okay, maybe I should start entering him now. The next one he won was for End Clothing, and the dude pulled through and he won these. But it's so funny because these are actually not his size. These are actually my size, but I think I'd rather him just kind of sell it to whoever and get his money's worth, because you know these are crazy. I think they're going for around 1400 Australian right now, or it could be even more. But damn, these go hard, man. So you won't be seeing any on-feet shots with these, unfortunately. Anyway guys, let's just get into this review. Let's start with the box. So as you can see, the box with the standard Nike swoosh right there in a really transparent kind of like almost like glue-like style writing. It's almost like embossed in glue. At the front, you'll see it says there Nike Air Presto. It's a size 9. Unfortunately for Wesley, he's a size 8. I really want to try these on, but man. And yeah, he got these from the End clothing store. So when you open it up, bang, it's got the Off-White paper here. All different kind of, I think it's got the 2s there, Air Force, or this version anyway, and then you have the shoes. It always comes with these fluoro orange laces, and as you can see there, it says shoelaces. Now let's move on to the upper. So as you can probably see, it has this perforated mesh all the way around the actual upper of the shoe. You can see it there on the actual toe box. You can see it on the sides, and it actually continues onto the inside. I don't know why they done this, but I really think it's, you know, it's a unique kind of look onto an actual Presto, and I don't know, maybe it's for ventilation purposes, you know, lets the foot breathe more with all these kind of perforated holes. Like, personally, I'm a fan of it. I do like the actual design. And on the side, you can clearly see that there's a really big swoosh in this area. It's like a transparent plastic fabric almost, I probably have to say. And it's not the same color as the actual mesh. I don't know if I like that or not, but it's, you know, whatever. It's how it is, you know, Off-White vibes with the whole deconstructed look. You could clearly tell that it's actually everywhere from the actual toe box there. It's like still not kind of finished off, that which is like totally iconic for being Off-White. You could see it on the actual you know, the tongue area as well. It looks really weird when it, you know, when it's dead stock. It's like a really flat tongue. Anyway, you can see that the foam is exposed over here on the tongue. It's got the probably the usual Nike branding over here on, like, turned on its side in red writing. It's got the red stitching over here as well to match the actual tongue tag over here. Another weird thing about this actual tongue is that they just literally just stitched it on top of the tongue of the actual Presto. If you don't believe me, you're gonna see it right there. This is the actual tongue area of the Presto, and then they just like literally smacked the off-white version tongue on top of it. And as you can see as well, it's got the iconic red zip tie here. It's pretty hard to miss, and it's kind of like the indicator of what is Off-White nowadays, or what's an Off-White collaboration with Nike. And as you can see there, it's got the detailing for Off-White as well. Yeah, that's pretty much all I could really say about the other upper, except that it's got this orange little tag here. I don't really know why he did that. I mean, it's just like a flimsy piece of plastic material. Well, you gotta respect the vision of Virgil Abloh, so yeah. And on the actual side of the actual shoe, you can see here, it's got this milky translucent cage that they actually use to, you know, use secondary for like the lace loops as well. You can see it on this side as well, where it's covering the off-white detailing, where it usually has the off-white writing. I don't know if people really read that anymore. And it actually is used on the actual heel counter over here. And as you can see there, it's got this really, I don't know, this is probably my favorite part of the actual Presto, where it just says Air. It's just so bold, it's just so sick. And I like this more than the actual red tag. I don't know, I just feel it. I want to rip this off and just like play around with it, but I just want to keep this dead stock for Wesley because he might be actually selling it. If you want a size 9, hit him up because he'll definitely be selling this. If not, I think he's gonna try to do some consigning. So, you know, if you boys want someone to consign with you, let my man know. And if you guys didn't know why they put Air there, basically Air is a cushioning system that the Presto uses. And then you have the standard white midsole that is, you know, on every other Presto there is. And you know, it's just really standard. And also you've got the white kind of herringbone design here, but they for some reason decided to make this part of the outsole black. I don't know why, but it's made out of rubber, and you know, it's kind of cool. At least it matches the black here. You know, it's a little bit of, you know, at least it's like a little different take, and at least it just keeps it away from the whole being such a purely white sneaker, which I honestly like. And guys, if you actually do own a pair of off-white sneakers and like a Nike collaboration that has the red zip tie, do you guys still wear it with the actual zip tie? I want to know. Hey, let me know in the comments below, because I've had a lot of feedback of people saying that they don't wear it anymore because it's annoying. They get different looks from other people saying like, oh, why you still got the shop tag on the actual sneaker, you know? And or some people just like to really rock the actual red zip tie because it actually, you know, it's a really big indicator of an off-white sneaker. So yeah, I just really want to know what your actual thoughts are, guys, so leave it in comments below. And the actual insole is just pretty plain. I don't know if you guys can see it there. It's just got the actual like kind of off-white symbol inside, and it's got the 10 at the top. Pretty standard. And another thing with sizing, guys, Prestos do not come in half sizes. So if you're 9.5 like I am, I usually go down to the 9. I've actually got a couple of Prestos, and I always got the 9 or 9.5, depending on what kind of sneaker it is. For my utilities, I think I got a 9.5, but for my other standard Prestos, I just got a 9, and they fit fine. So seriously, but if you guys are really worried about it, definitely just try on a pair of Prestos at a normal store, I guess. But I actually don't know what to say in terms of the whole deconstructed or unfinished look, because I actually did product design, and presenting a product like this, or finished kind of project like an off-white sneaker, probably will give you like basic grades, because you can see down here it's not finished. All these other rough cuts that probably won't give you like the highest like kind of distinction kind of thing, but it just goes to show that rules are meant to be broken, and if you do it well, then you know, you can produce a product like this and then let the hype just take over and let things just go crazy. And I must ask, in terms of off-white collaborations, these must be like the hardest sneakers to actually legit check, because there's so many flaws already, where the flaws are actually its perfections. And how do you even check that. It's got to actually be one of the hardest sneakers to actually legit check. And that's saying, guys, I have to say I am an actual fan of these sneakers. If these weren't so expensive, I probably would have copped them. But you know, time can only tell if I'm going to get them or not. I'm still waiting which kind of silhouette will be my actual first Off-White purchase. The resale on a lot of the Off-White you know, sneakers are actually going crazy. They are like, it's over $1,000 sometimes, and right now it's not a really good time. So, but I have to say this actual colorway I do really rock with, because you're getting a lot more bang for your buck with this kind of colorway. Because why? Look at it, it can match any outfit. It is an awesome sneaker, and what I really like about Prestos is that they are so comfy and they are so light. No joke, you know, you can use this for traveling and it will be like, you know, it'll be a dream. Whenever I travel like around on airplanes, I usually like to wear sneakers like the Prestos, anything light like the NMDs or Ultra Boost. But you know, Prestos are a go-to for me because I don't know, they just have a cool aesthetic. They're really light, they're really comfy, they're really easy to put on and off. So yeah, I'm a really big fan of these. Guys, let me know which one is your favorite actual Off-White sneaker. Is it this one? Is it the Air Force Ones? Is it the Air Jordan ones? I would like to know. Please leave it in the comments below. Alright guys, so that wraps up my little review for these babies right here. The Nike Air Presto Off-White collabs, the white colorway. Thanks a lot for rocking with me during this video. If you did like the actual content, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. And if you like all the actual content that I'm actually doing, why not consider subscribing? And a big thank you to you guys for actually watching till the end. And I've got some more videos coming up. And yeah, thanks once again guys. And I hope to see you in the next video. Peace.